Hi everyone, so I'm back with another digital kit. This is an add-on for the shabby flower kit that I showed you yesterday. So these are framed photos. They're like Polaroids, but I do believe I can't call them Polaroids. So there is 6 pages and we've got all these, and then I've kind of shrunk them down so we've got smaller ones as well. So firstly we have this page, and then we have this, and I'm working on a journal using my new kit as well, so you shall see that shortly, as in when it's completed. And then we have these, and then I just done some smaller ones, same images as the others but just smaller, and then again even smaller with these ones as well. So if you're interested in this or the other kit, then you can find the link below to my shop and you can go check them out. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.